Currently doing a little camper organization, which right now it's not real organized, but until now we've had this laundry basket just kind of sitting there, and it's big, so instead of having two small ones we got one big one, but every time once it gets full, can't open the refrigerator without moving it. You can't open the drawers without moving this. I just don't like it. I'm sick of it. However, over here, under this bench, we've got all our games, like board games and stuff like that, but we don't use that side for anything currently. So what I've decided is throughout the day, you know, as we get a little bit of laundry, I put this screw in here. It's a big heavy duty one, and I got this old Coleman sleeping bag. We can just put socks and whatever dirty clothes in there for the day, and it's hanging, it's out the way. I won't need this, so I can get to my drawers, and the bathroom door can still open. Kind of liking it. And then once a day, all we gotta do is find once a day where nobody's doing anything important over there, and just lift this up, lift this and this, and we can empty that bag into here. And we got dirty clothes. A lot of clothes can fit in there. So in doing this, though, I realized that when we actually do laundry, we're going to need a solution for taking clothes out of here and putting it in something to transport it to the laundromat. So we're going to get some collapsible bags, I guess, like a collapsible laundry hamper, and we can even keep those in that with the dirty laundry, and then when we go to do laundry, we'll just transfer it into those bags and go do it. I know it's an idea. I also just put this up today. It's got USB charging ports. I used Velcro, and sitting on this couch so far, the only way to get power is to plug in to the outlet right there, but then it stretches across and people trip on it and it's in the way. So this way we can just plug into that and not have that issue anymore. I don't know, maybe this is useful to somebody.